You are going to love the 2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, xenon headlights, stability control, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, leather seats, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.